Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking the photo's EXIF data to extract camera model, date, and GPS if present. That can save time. Once done, make a clean duplicate so you don't alter the original. Next, feed that copy into a reverse image search like Google Images or TinEye. This finds visually similar images and possible provenance. While searching, pay attention to cropping and compression because trimmed images yield different matches. Adjust if you see no useful hits. Now you examine the image for identifiable clues: signage fonts, languages, license plate formats, vegetation, and architectural styles. Each narrows region and country. Then, estimate sun position and time by checking shadow angles, which narrows latitudes. Once you have a rough direction, compare against map imagery. Also cross-reference pins from reverse search matches with mapping tools and Street View. Patterns of signs or storefront names often confirm the exact street or neighborhood when you finalize the location by aligning the photo with Street View or multiple ground-level pictures, matching perspective, window positions, and street furniture. Make sure to verify with at least 2 independent sources, map coordinates, social media posts, or EXIF matches, to avoid false positives. If things go wrong, try recropping to focus on a unique detail, apply color correction to reveal faded signs, or post a cropped image to a local forum. Often community knowledge resolves and...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.